Hello everyone, myself Yana from standard 10th. Today I am going to tell you about Teachers Day. So first, today 5th September, I want to thank all of the teachers for giving me discipline, for giving me knowledge, for my bright future. So today 5th September, the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the great teacher and the second president of our country. We all salute him and his knowledge. So, on to giving him respect and to honor him, we celebrate his birthday as Teachers Day. So, teachers. What is teachers? The teachers who gives us guidance for our better future. So, when we share our talks, our thoughts, our feelings with teachers, they give us guidance to what to do and what we don't. So, when teachers give us guidance, listen it carefully, and when you use their guidance in your life, you never become disappointed. Instead of it, you achieve a very big success in your life. Teachers are the ocean of inspiration, so never disrespect them. Give them respect, and once again, Happy Teachers Day.